Hey, if you're down today, you can have a little bit of my sunshine. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
Cheeto! Peaches! Yay!
Yeah.
She's incredibly intelligent.
Right.
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
That's for you. Okay, go get him.
I can't wait to learn to ride a bike.
You're not learning how to ride a bike at 73. We're not. Kai. No. Come.
Get off me! Get off me! Go on, move. Thank you. Don't jump over that. That would have been bad for you. No, 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 no!
I'm a little stupid. You ever awake?
Mushimenayo.
You're my friend now.
That's mad. That's happy? That's mad.
Молодец, Свет. Умничка. Умничка. Все, операция удалась.
Good girl.
Добре це буде? О боже. I hear some noise. I'm like...
Chase, wake up. Chase. We're going to dinner. You're here. Aww. There we are. Hi.
Oh my.
Peekaboo, I see you. Where am I?
I just don't, I don't know how much longer I can continue to do like this.
Can you say wolf? Can you say wolf?
So sorry to disturb you. I need the A. Okay, thank you.
Get out!
Oh, no, 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 no.
Don't mind the background noise, but as you can see, I have some pet ducks, and I'm gonna see if I can communicate with them.
Okay, ready? Let me try again. Oh, I think I insulted them, honestly.
you're such a handsome young man. Can you give us a big smile?
Beep, beep. I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep. I'm a sheep.
Don't push it. I'm trying to sleep. Don't push it. No, I'm not doing a food race. Go away. Got to play by the rules. Got to play by the rules, okay? Race. Hey! Oh, you scared me, Jesus. You think it's going in the bedroom?
Tell her what you want. Tell her. Merry Christmas.
Excuse me! Excuse me! I need attention! I need attention!
You're gonna fall off. You're so dumb.
Go ahead. You get it. Goodness gracious.
Silly dog.
You're gonna lose your dog.
Oh no! Oh no! He got away!
You're gonna wake up the baby. Come on.
Good boy.
You bad girl. What's the matter?
What is happening? Oh. Hey. Whoa. Whoa. Pigeon.
What you gonna do when you catch them hoes in the club? What you gonna do to them hoes? Get them hoes. 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 Get.
What are you doing? Roll over. Yeah, fat hunk of shit. Come on. There we go.
Din, kitties.
Kitties? Din Din?
What is that?